I hope you're all having a good Monday. I'm kind of having a good Monday, but it's Monday. What do you expect? Today, heavy rain in northern Minnesota and in Nebraska, Iowa, and South Dakota. We could see heavy storms and maybe even a chance of a tornado. So if that does happen, make sure to seek shelter. But yeah, right around this area around Nebraska, South Dakota, and Iowa, heavy storms, and also some rain coming in Minneapolis later in the day tonight. And there's some really heavy rain in northern Minnesota today. We got an inch of half all the way to 2 inches in northern Minnesota, so lots of rain there. And temperatures today are actually normal for a lot of the Midwest, except for parts of Wisconsin, Detroit, Michigan, and that part. And yeah, Indiana and Ohio, but only 2 degrees above normal. It's actually going to be below normal in most of North Dakota and part of Minnesota. But in Minnesota is mostly normal, but in North Dakota is a little bit below normal. However, by the 10th, we could start to see above normal temperatures again by 2 to 6 degrees for part of the Midwest, Wisconsin, Minnesota especially, and North Dakota. South Dakota, Nebraska, we could see temperatures 2 to 6 degrees above normal, so yeah, a lot really above. And it looks like that week it's going to stay like that until the 13th, where a big cold front comes in on the 13th. That's going to have temperatures 2 to 6 degrees. Now, this is for a big chunk of the Midwest, especially Minnesota, where it'll be 6 degrees below normal. So, it might be a bit cold for Minnesota. In fact, we could see temperatures in the 70s, which is pretty cold for July. Usually, average high temperature by the 13th is 85. So, that's about 10 degrees below normal, 77 degrees. And same with North Dakota and South Dakota and Iowa and parts of Nebraska, below normal. But then in Wisconsin, it's also actually above normal in part of the state. This little corner right there. And in Michigan, it's above normal. So part of you, I'm sorry, I said the wrong word. Part of the Midwest is going to be above normal by 2 to 6 degrees. And then the other part will be below normal by 6 to 10 degrees. So, yeah. And then on the 14th, it will be normal again. It's going to stay normal for a long time, it looks like. As far as this model goes to, I think, the 20th. But then on the 19th, it does get above normal again to 6 degrees above normal. And this is on the 21st. And it's going to be pretty warm those days, I think. So, yeah. And then after that, it's going to stay above normal for a while after that. A lot of days above normal. So yeah, right now, it's normal and even a little bit below normal. And then it's going to get above normal for a couple days, 10th, 11th, 12th. But then on the 12th, actually, it's going to be a cold front that's coming. That's going to have temperatures be 6 to 10 degrees below normal. Then it's going to stay above normal for like Ohio and Michigan and Indiana and Wisconsin. And then after that, Minnesota and all that area is going to get warm again. So, hope you enjoyed. I'm not going to be able to do the weather forecast I did last time because I don't have enough time today. I have to go somewhere. But yeah, this is the forecast this week. And I actually did it a little bit further out. I did 2 weeks further out. Usually I just go 1 week. And I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will do more videos. And yeah, peace out, y'all.